Welcome back. Today we're making a hearty breakfast casserole. This is like a vegetable omelette but baked. It's ideal for brunch or holiday breakfast and can easily be prepared the night before and baked in the morning. The variety of fresh vegetables make this a nutritious and filling meal at Sehri. On a medium to high heat, warm up some oil before adding some crushed garlic. Fry this for about 2 minutes and then add in the sliced mushrooms. Season with some crushed chilies and salt and fry for about 2 minutes before adding the peppers and spring onions. Fry this for another 3 minutes until the liquid has evaporated, then mix in some chopped baby spinach leaves until this is wilted. Add 1 chopped tomato and stir this for 2 minutes. We don't want to overcook the vegetables. You can also customize this to add anything else of your choice, such as cut salami or sausages for a meatier option. Now we're ready to assemble this. In a baking dish, spread out 1 slice of bread torn into large pieces. If you're using a bigger dish, then you can use more slices of bread. Then spread the vegetables over this. Sprinkle with some sliced olives. If you're preparing this in advance, you can put this in the fridge overnight and then add the egg mixture the following morning. To make the final layer, whisk some eggs and a dash of milk together. For a spicier touch, you can add some chopped green chilies. Then mix in the grated cheese. Now pour this over the vegetable and bread layers and bake until the egg mixture is completely set. If you make a shallower layer by using a larger dish, it will cook quicker. As well as being great for brunch parties, this easy casserole can be enjoyed any time of the day as a meal or snack. I really hope you enjoyed this video and we'll have a go at making this. Take care and see you in my next video.